Is it safe?
Yeah. Wow. Ooh, you have good balance.
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready to go.
What do you mean one of his poisonous? This is an orange.
It's got thorns. Oh, are you crazy? Oh, right there.
Which one?
Look right here, baby. Carlos, it's on the floor. It's fresh.
I want that one.
Look, you
That was the one I want.
dropped that one right there.
Fresh off the State Wildlife Preserve branch. I hope I'm allowed to eat these.
Oh, I don't know.
All right, here we go.
Are you gonna eat it?
Of course. Nashley says it might kill me. Let's see. It looks juicy. It's perfect time. The rind is thick and pulls away easily from the orange. Look how beautiful that is. What a beautiful piece of fruit.
It is very beautiful.
Okay, do you want the first piece?
Nope. Okay, what's the verdict?
Okay. It has like 10,000 seeds per slice.
Is it sweet?
Mm-mm.
Bitter? Okay, I don't want any of that.
Very bitter.
Is it a grapefruit then?
Yeah, it tastes more like grapefruit. But it's an orange.
Maybe it wasn't ready like you thought it was.
I mean, it was ready. Note to self.
Careful with the branches on the floor.
If you're gonna eat naturally grown citrus from the wilderness, be sure to bring sanitary wipes for your hands
They're sticky.
or alcohol, because it is literally the stickiest substance ever.
Oh,
It's
no.
all over my hands
You're gonna attract all of the bugs
and my
now.
lips and my neck. But let's go. Let's see what else we can find.
Actually could have just not worn this long sleeve shirt at all, but note to self, you should bring some kind of repellent for bugs, especially mosquitoes, because we have been victims now multiple times of mosquito bites. So note to self.
Okay, long sleeve shirts also help.
Yes, long sleeve shirt. I wore light colored, not on purpose, but now that I think about it, it's probably better if the sun is right overhead and there's no clouds, so you have no coverage. Although the trees provide some coverage. But
Yeah, plenty of shade. This great little canopy here. Some areas are open and others are well shaded over top. So a good little mix if you're trying to get a little sun and trying to get a little shade.
yeah,
Like Ashley
yeah,
and me.
there we go. Well said, babe. That was a mosquito. It just went. Just appreciate the quiet. Don't fall in. Water. It's not ground. But it looks like ground. I think it's just water. Oh, ho, ho, ho. bugs are vicious.
What do you think so far besides the bugs?
I find it really relaxing and kind of isolating a little bit. We've ran across a couple people, but for the most part it just feels like it's you and nature, and I like that.
Yeah, it's got pretty quiet in certain places. You could just hear like the rustling of the trees and nothing else. Feels
Yeah.
like you could be in the middle of nowhere.
I mean, we kind of are.
I mean, we kind of are.
It's 2 hours away from where we live, and we made the trip, and I don't know, I think it was worth it. What do you think?
Yeah, it's been worth it so far. Cool day. It's cool outside.
Cool, right? Not cold.
Not cold. Perfect for walking
70.
around. 70.
In January 2020, Florida. Woo-hoo.
Cool.